As it was, love is not the same as it was. As It Was is the featured song for today's video, so let's go! Hey, do you like music? Would you like to understand the lyrics of your favorite songs? Hi everyone, my name is Noty and welcome to the Iwa channel. Here you will find everything you need to learn English. Today we're gonna have a new music class. We'll listen to As It Was by Harry Styles. This single was released on the 31st of March 2022, this year. With this song, we're gonna work on the structure used to plus the verb in infinitive to talk about states or actions that were true in the past but are no longer now. And also, we'll go over the use of good and well. We're gonna work on its grammar, vocabulary to make it easy for you to understand. Oh, but before we start listening to this song, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Well, let's get started. First verse.
Holding me back, gravity's holding me back. I want you to hold out the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it at that?
To hold someone back. It means to stop someone or something developing or doing as well as they should.
Nothing to say, and everything gets in the way.
To get in the way. To get in the way of something means to make it difficult for it to happen, continue or be appreciated properly. For example, she had a job which never got in the way of her leisure interests.
Seems you cannot be replaced, and I'm the one who'll stay.
Seems, meaning it seems like, it looks like. Then we've got the chorus.
You know it's not the same as it was, as it was.
The song makes reference to Harry's loneliness and concerns from others as he isolates himself from the world. As It Was is rooted in personal transitions and depicts a feeling of loss and loneliness. Fans believe that this song is about his relationship with fame and how his life isn't the same as it was since he's entered the public eye. As It Was is an interesting structure, and we can also say as it used to be instead of as it was. We use used to plus the verb for talking about states or actions that were true or happened in the past but they are no longer true now. For example, London's nothing as it was, or London is nothing like it used to be. You see, you can use both of them. Used to is always for talking about actions or states in the past that are no longer true, as I said before. For example, the cafe opposite my house is not the same as it was. The cafe opposite my house used to be really good. So it means that now it is no longer good. We use didn't used to talk about something that it wasn't like that in the past, but maybe now it is. For example, he didn't used to wear nice clothes and recently he's been looking quite cool. And you might be asking yourself, okay, but used to doesn't change, it's always in the past. Yeah, always in the past. Yeah, I know it's a strange verb, we only use it in the past. Let's see if you got it right. Fill in the blank, write the correct answer in the comments down below. He lived in Brazil until he was 7. He Portuguese, but he's forgotten a lot of it now. So it doesn't mean that he doesn't speak Portuguese now, but Okay, let's check the second verse.
Answer the phone, Harry, you're no good alone. Why are you sitting at home on the floor? What kind of pills are you on? Ringing the bell, and nobody's coming to help. Your daddy lives by himself. He just wants to know that you're well.
You're not good alone. You're not good at being alone. It's the same. To sit on the floor. That's a good way to remember prepositions of place, for example, on. So if something is on the surface, we use the preposition on. Like I'm standing on the floor, the picture is on the wall. The fan is on the ceiling. Then, you're well or you're good. When we refer to a person's health or well-being, well is customarily used as an adjective. She asked about David's illness and I told her he's good now. She's asked about David's illness and I told her he's well now. When you tell someone be good, you're talking about the behavior of that person. However, to say be well is to express a wish for their good health rather than the behavior. But let's talk about common errors with this good and well. A common English error is to misuse the words good and well. The rule of thumb is that good is an adjective and well is an adverb. Good modifies a noun, something can be good or seem good. Well modifies a verb, an action can be done well. However, when you're talking about health, remember that we're going to use well. In that case, well is going to work as an adjective. If I say, how are you doing? I'm well. So as I'm good. But remember, when we're talking about health or your state, you say well. But if not, we're going to use good. All you need to remember when you're pondering whether good or well is the best option for your sentence is that good modifies a person, place, or thing, whereas well modifies an action. If you're having a good day, then your day is going well. So, did you do good on your exams? Did you do well on your exams? I can't believe it. I did good on the test. I can't believe it. I did well on the test. So remember, did well. Well is modifying the verb, not a noun. That's why we use well and not good. Here we've got another example. If I say, this is a well lasagna, like an Italian, or this is a good lasagna. Well, here we have to use good because lasagna is a noun and good is an adjective, okay? So good lasagna. Well is not modifying any verb. Lasagna is a noun, a thing, that should be modified with good. Non-action verbs like to be, to look, to seem, or to feel can also take good, the adjective form. And once you finish this video, let me know which song you'd like me to teach you next time. If you like this video, it would really help me if you like it, and if you want to see more content like this, go ahead and click on the subscribe button over here. Thanks a lot, and I hope you continue to improve your level of English every day. Bye!